Hello, everybody. Good afternoon. How is everybody's Tuesday going? It is lunchtime here in the state of Georgia. Don't know what the time is where you at, but if you're joining me and you're seeing that live button up there, how about post where you're tuning in from? And if you're not seeing that live button up there, push to a comment replay. And y'all, I am going to show y'all a kit that you can get for $99, and it has $450 worth of skincare and makeup in it. It is the Presenter's Kit with my company, and they just announced it. This is the largest kit they've ever had. I'm sorry, y'all. My hair is sticking plumb up. And I went this morning to Bible study, so I'm back, and I threw on makeup to go to Bible study, so I don't have a full-blown face on. But I do have my lashes going on. So anyway, as y'all are joining me, I am going to show y'all this kit, this bag full of makeup. It is loaded up. You will get this bag, and let me see if I can show you this cute little box that it comes in. I kept the box. Anyway, it comes in this box, you guys. So it comes nicely packaged. So it comes in this kit, and you're going to get $450 worth of makeup. Now, if you don't tend to do anything else with it, then you're going to love the makeup and play around with it. You're not going to get penalized or anything like that. But if you want to make it a career like I do, then you partner up with me, and I will get you started. It's very simple. I do it part-time myself because y'all, my name is Marilyn Peavy, for those that don't know who I am. And I am a unique presenter, and I do take care of my mother part-time at home. So I do this business part-time. So I'm going to be showing y'all everything that Unique announced today. You're going to get $400 worth of makeup plus this bag. And I'm going to show you the ingredients that's in this bag for $99. There's no penalty. So if you just want the makeup, then, you know, go for it. So the first thing is the lash primer. I've been posting about this lash primer. It came out the 1st of September, and it conditions our lashes, and it provides a base for our mascara, and it does do a great job of separating our lashes and keeping them lasting, looking nice and pretty. Okay, so you're going to get this, which is, and if y'all get your calculator out, this is $24 retail. Okay, then you're going to get a black Epic mascara, and those are for the ones that doesn't want the 4D mascara. And it's either you normally it comes in black and brown, but I think in this kit you're going to get the black. And this is the Epic mascara, and it naturally curls your lashes up, gives you length, and volumizes your lashes. You're also going to get the lash, and that's $24. So that's $24. So y'all add it up. So then you're going to get the Lash Esteem Serum. This serum will help lengthen your lashes, make your lashes fuller. I've even put it on my eyebrows to make them look fuller. And this is a retail value of $24. So these three items, these three right here, are $24 a piece, okay? Retail. Then you've got your 4D mascara, and this retails for $29. And y'all, I have got the lash primer on now, and along with the 4D. Let's see if I can zoom you in. This is the length. This is the length on my eyes. So other people's eyes, it might be different, but it's the one-step 4D mascara that flew off the shelves. We sold over 1 million units within an hour when it first launched. So this is a retail value of $29. So you're going to get that along with that. So that's 4 items right there. Then the next thing is the Precision pencil eyeliner. This is imperfect, and I'm sure it's going to be imperfect. Y'all, this is smudge proof and waterproof eyeliner, and once it dries, it's not going to go anywhere without getting it washed off. And so you can go swimming with this. Now this right here, this 4D, let me tell you, it is water resistant. It's not waterproof. We do have a waterproof mascara, but you're not getting it in this kit. Okay, so then you're going to get, along with this is a retail value of $15. So if y'all are adding up, it's going to add up to $450. So I'm not through. We're still in here. And let's see if I can find the rest of the stuff that goes with this. Hold on. Okay. Then you're going to get a liquid eyeshadow. And I have liquid eyeshadow on right now. I only have one color. And once it dries, it's waterproof and smudge proof. But you're going to get a color of that, of the liquid eyeshadow. Then you're going to get a addiction palette. We have 6 different ones. I don't know which one they're going to send you, but there's 7 colors in each palette. Comes with a little nice mirror, and so you're going to get an addiction palette. I'm sure you're going to get the color that is universal for everybody, and they've had this in the kit. This is kind of more fall line. This is addiction palette 4, so I love this palette. We got a lot of neutrals in it, and so you're going to get this. So this is a value of $49. All right. And then you're going to get the crease brush. This is my all-time favorite brush. This is a brush I constantly use. I do my blending with it. I put my eyeshadows on with this and everything. So you're going to get this a fluffy crease brush, and it is a retail value of $18. And then you're going to get the Behold setting powder. I love the setting powder, you guys. So you're going to get this. This is a retail value of $39. And setting powder I put on my face to set my makeup and it'll last all day long. So you're going to get this. So that's $39. So if y'all are still adding, y'all need to add. Hey, Twanny! And then you're going to get the liquid lipstick. I don't know what color that would be either. So here's a liquid lipstick. That's a retail value of $27. So I'm sure you're going to get some universal colors. You know what? I got that. I got your phone call, Twanny, but I meant to call you back and I got tied up. So I'll have to call you back. So after this live, maybe I'll call you. Are you at home? All right. So then you're going to get, along with this, you're going to get, and I'm still going, you guys, because you're getting $450 worth of makeup for 99 bucks. Then you're going to get Hottie lip plumper. Y'all, this plumps your lips. So you're going to get the Hottie lip plumper. It kind of tingles in your lips, makes it, actually I feel like it makes it feel good, but it does plump up your lips. And this is a retail value of $27. And then everybody's favorite mask, which is the brightening mask, and it is a yellow mask, and it comes off and it peels off and it brightens. If y'all want more information about this, I don't have the information on me, but I use it to brighten. Okay, I'll call you when you get home, okay? I mean, when I get off, when I get home. I went to Bible study today. It lasts forever. And this is a retail value of $75. And then you're going to get a cleansing stick. Y'all, I use this cleansing stick. I put it in my purse or I have several of them. I put one in my purse, and I've got one in my here, and I've got one in my bathroom. And all you do is just wipe. I like wiping it on my my eyes for my mascara because it doesn't sting and it kind of dissolves the mascara away. So you're going to get the cleansing. All right. Hopefully I am still here because it says reconnecting, but you're going to get the cleansing stick and it's worth $24. So that adds up to $450, you guys. So I'll go back over it without putting all the products up there. You're going to get the lash primer, a black Epic mascara. You're going to get the 4D mascara. You're going to get the lash serum. You're going to get an eye pencil. And this is the eye pencil, y'all. I put this on there and it does not go anywhere once it dries. You're going to get the liquid shadow. Love the liquid shadow. It just came out in September. And an addiction, a palette. You're going to get that. And you're going to get the fluffy crease brush, the translucent setting powder, a liquid lipstick splash, a Hottie lip plumper, the brightening mask, the uplift beauty serum, and the cleansing stick. You're going to get all that for $99. There's if you don't want to do anything with this business, then by all means keep the makeup and don't do nothing else with it. But if you want to make extra income for your family, and I will show you simply ways to do it. I am right now doing affiliate links and they are awesome. So you're going to get this bag. You're going to get a free website. You're going to get literature. So this is included. You're going to get literature. You're going to get a catalog. You're going to get some samples, mass samples, and different other things. So after I get through with this video, I will put the link up to where it says join, and you can go take a look. It's no obligation, but y'all, you're going to get that kit worth of $450 worth of makeup. And then the rest of the makeup, like the foundation, the new spray foundation, you can get at a discount. You're going to get a discount, and you can also share it with selling it to your family and friends, and you're going to make commission off of it. If anything else, you're going to make extra money for Christmas. So, but if you want to make a career out of it, all you have to do, you'll be partnering up with me, and I will give you the information. It's all free. We do have training in our what we call our back office, and that which is all free, and it's with Eric Worre, and it's $1,000 worth of training for free. All for $99, you're going to get that makeup. So you're getting more in return than what you invest. So invest in yourself, y'all, because you don't have nothing to lose. You have enough product here to demonstrate and get to do a full face makeup, skincare, whatever. If you don't do anything else with it, you've got all that, and there's no penalties. If y'all have any questions, please comment your question, or just say message me down below, and I will be happy to message you. And if you think this is going to be a value of maybe one of your family or friends might be interested, please share it out. Thanks for watching, you all. My name again is Marilyn Peavy, and y'all have a great afternoon. Bye.